Good day traders, and welcome back to TT Forex. This video is not all about strategies and things like that. I'm going to talk about the most important thing in trading that will make you a consistently profitable trader, if ever you have that discipline to stick to it. Alright, it's very funny how I put it, because the thing I'm talking about is discipline itself. So you just need discipline to be disciplined enough in order for you to have that discipline to stick to your discipline. Or it's not a rhyme, it's true. You just have to be disciplined enough in order for you to be a profitable trader. The reason why I'm talking about this, having a chart pulled up on the chart or on the screen, is because I want to show you something that I regard as the agonies of trading. What really separates traders from gamblers. Right here on the screen, as you can see, it is a Euro USD 4-hour chart that was pulled up, and there is a trade that is running currently, and that trade is a sell trade from this zone here, which was kind of a break and retest kind of trading strategy. The strategy I use most of the time is basic support and resistance kind of thing. As you can see here, we have some kind of a zone here that was broken, and then it was being retested, so I then just took this sell here. Well, I'm not going to talk much about why and how I took the trade. What I'm just going to show you here is why I say that sometimes it is so important for you to be a trader instead of being a gambler, right? Gamblers, they rely on their gut feeling and luck in order for them to be successful, if ever they become successful. But as for you as a trader, all you need is discipline to follow your own rules, the rules of the strategy, the rules of the trading plan you have. Those are the most important things to stick to. Now, when it comes to those rules, depending on what your strategy is all about, mine is all about, for exit, I use stop loss and targets. Now look at what happened. This is what transpired on this trade. I sold it right here. That's where I sold it, right here. Right now my stop loss is up here. This is where I told myself I'm not going to lose more than this. Now, what am I expecting the market to give me? This much, Now, the funny part, the market was willing to give me that, but somehow, shy of about 5 pips, the market just reversed. Look at where it reversed, right here, just 5 pips away from my target. Now it's up here, almost half the distance it moved in my favor. Now, what does that tell you? First, you do not control the market. I do not control the market. No one does. And with that said, it means that you don't have to beat yourself up if ever something like this happens. And then someone will ask themselves, or they will ask me, why I didn't take my profit right here. And then I will ask you, did I know it was going to reverse right there? Looking at it in hindsight, it is so easy to say I should have used these two body candles here, candle bodies I mean, as my take profit. It could have been triggered, but now I didn't know it was going to reverse. Like, this is a trend, this is a market that made a significant push to the downside and then took a breather, and now I am expecting a strong push following this strong impulse move here. That's exactly what I'm expecting. Like, that's how the market moves. But now it decided to retrace on me. I don't know, maybe this is a total reversal of the trend, or it's just a retracement to continue to the downside. Those are the two possible ways. But now, what am I to do with this? Well, the answer is so simple. I am a disciplined trader. I am a trader, I'm not a gambler. So I'm not relying on my gut feeling. I had this set before I could even take the trade. I saw this happening here, the retest happening, and this hanging man kind of thing being formed, and I took the trade based on that. And then I set my target, I set my stop loss in place. So there is only two ways in which I am going to exit this trade. It's either it hits my stop loss or it hits my target. I am not going to tamper with it. That's what traders do. You do not have to tamper with your trades. Let them cook, let them run. You had that trade planned. You have been stocking the pair for some time, and you had everything in control. So by control, I don't mean like the movement of the market. I mean your setup. You control the way you set things up in the market. As for the movement, no one knows where the market is going. As you can see, the price is right here, right now. You might never know where it will be in the next 2 minutes, in the next 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or 50 minutes. So you just have to wait for the market to go wherever it wants. As long as you have a strategy that has an edge over the market, then you are fine. And most importantly, have the discipline to stick to your strategy. If things do not work out, you know it is not your fault. You stick to your strategy, and every trade will come out to be a winner. By a winner, I do not mean like you will never lose. If ever it hits your stop loss, you win by learning something out of that trade. If it hits your take profit, you win something by learning from that trade, and the money, of course. Who doesn't need money? Well, I do. I don't know about you, but you wouldn't be trading if you didn't like the money. So yeah, those are the kind of things you just need: a strategy and the discipline to stick to it. And one of the most important, I'm going to talk about it in another video, not this one. It's money management and risk management, of course. Risk and money management in short. So those are the things you just need: discipline, money management, and a strategy. That's it. With that, you are going to be a better trader than you are today. So I hope this video was informative, and you learned something from this video. Like, I just wanted to show you, if this happens to you more often, you are not alone. I also encounter this, like as you can see here. So with that, I would like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and take care.